I use mainly this rule of indices, where you have an index to the power of a different number, you multiply the index. Now the rule, a reminder I want to give you is that when you have combination of letters and numbers, express the numbers in an index form and multiply the powers. So what do I mean by this? Here, I can choose to write this in an index form, which is 3 cubed times x6 all to the power a third. And this tells us that the power third must multiply each of the powers. And I can work them out separately. 3 will cancel out 3, so 3 to the power 1. 3 will cancel out 6, become 2, and become x squared. So my final answer will be 3x squared. Also, one quick way when it's possible is that is a cube root. You can work out the cube root of what? 27, which will give you the 3, and you just work out 6 times a third. That will also give you a squared. Whichever way, they will both work. On B, you can choose to work out the cube root of 125 and square the answer, and multiply 9 by 2 over 3 and simplify it. But I prefer to write them in an index form where it's possible to cancel out. 125 is 5 cubed. So when I multiply through each of the powers by 2 over 3, I can now cross out the 3 and the 3. That will be 5 squared. And 3 can also cross out 9 to become 3, and 3 times 2, that will be 6. So my final answer is 5 squared x to the power 6. So remember the rule is cube root of the number is 5. 5 squared is 25. Now cube of 9 times 2 over 3 is 6, and that's why it's x to the power 6. Final one. 32 is the same as 2 to the power 5, so when you multiply through by 2 over 5, 5 cancel out 5, and you have 2 squared. 5 cancel out 15, 3 times 2 is 6, so you have 2 squared times x to the power 6, and final answer is 4x to the power 6. So that brings us to the end of evaluating indices. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you very much.